Holy cow, man. It's raining hard here. Thunderstorm and lightning. Very, very frightening me. Patay. Ang klaseng lakas. Thunderstorm and lightning. Ibang klase. That's thunder. You guys hear that? Thunder. Hindi ko makita madilim eh, pero you can see it. It's pouring. It's right there. Ooh, there you go. Katapot. Edmonton, man. Grabe. Nakabagyo naman eh. Ayan, ibang klase eh. Maka-thunderstorms agad eh. Godsa. Thunderstorm, Edmonton. Patay. Oh well, there you go. Parang fireworks eh, no? Mahulog pa. Ay, nako. Nood lang tayo. Tatakot yung mga yung lumabas. Lakas daw ng kulog at kidlat eh. Nakatoko. Kulugan mo yan. Oh. Nuts. Kulog eh, no? Natutubak. Kulog at kidlat. Edmonton, Alberta.